So now, today my cough just got worse. And if I go outside this bedroom that I'm in, I'm gonna cough even more than I just did. So, yeah, guys, if I go out there, it smells like cigarettes, and that won't cause me to cough. Maybe even sneeze. Anyway, here's another reason why I'm making this video today. There's this YouTuber named Galaxy Queen. Now, Galaxy Queen has been really nice to me. Galaxy Queen, if you are watching this, if I met you in real life, I'd always want to be your friend forever until our death. You are so nice to me. I owe you a lot. And I'm adding you to my BFF list. My imaginary one, I guess. Because I don't have a real list. I have too many friends. So I can't even make out what it could be. But yeah. Galaxy Queen, you are a new friend. You are nice to me. Galaxy Queen, you got yourself a new friend. And yeah, you've been super nice to me and I appreciate it. So yeah, that's it. Bye.